Bostik Blaze Urethane Grout Haze Remover is an effective and easy way to clean tile surfaces after installing urethane-based grouts. While urethane grout is typically easy to clean off the surface of most tiles, some surfaces create challenges that make it necessary to use a chemical-based cleaner to remove residual urethane film or haze. Surfaces that are more difficult to clean that will benefit from the use of Blaze include high-gloss surfaces, through-body porcelains, and etched frosted glass. Blaze is safe to use on ceramic and porcelain tile, natural stone such as granite, limestone, travertine, sandstone, flagstone, masonry, concrete, metal, and glass tile. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with all surface types, including all adjacent surfaces. Be sure to read the technical safety data sheets before use. These are easily found on our website at bostik.com/US. Visit the website to download the datasheet for Bostik's Blaze Urethane Grout Haze Cleaner.